So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you my microwave safe bowls, plates, plastic microwave safe containers collection. And in this video, please see the video till the end, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. And here I am. Okay, so where are my microwave safe containers? Haha, my microwave safe containers. First includes this microwave safe kiddie company plate, and it includes my microwave also. Then another chip of microwave safe Tupperware containers. It also includes a walkaway safe microwave safe plastic more containers, and it includes it includes this type of microwave safe containers which you will get while buying the refined oils of Imami. And we have this microwave safe bowl by plastic also, but plastics are not safe for microwave. And it also includes some of my microwave safe bowls brought yesterday by Amazon, and it includes this microwave safe bowl of Borosil company, a good kettle like this in microwave, and it over direct flames. It's microwave proof and it's also direct flame proof. It means you can keep it in the gas. Avoid sudden temperature change. और ये है हमारा box. Or we have this measuring cup for measuring things while in microwave. This is what we get from PC Chandra in 2017, brought by my aunt, and this also free from golds. And we have we also have this microwave safe mug, which is of 80 rupees. It can be used to make mug cakes. You can make chai also, but this microwave safe bowl is the most good way, or this is the very best way for making tea. This is what you can gum. It's chip resistant, and we have these measuring cups, and some of them includes this microwave safe big containers like this. It is broken. These are microwave safe bowls, and another microwave safe collection of bowls is this one. This bowl, this cup for 1 minute only, capable of keeping heat, and all our microwave collections. And this also includes this spatula. So this much today's video. So if you like this video, click on the like button and share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon.